You know that moment where you say, let me scroll small, and 7 good hours later, you are still there. Exactly. That's how YouTube gets all of us. But now, YouTube has given us a solution. You can now control your time, set limits, and even stop seeing short videos completely. Let me walk you through how to do it on your mobile phone. Open your YouTube app, tap on your profile picture to the bottom right corner, tap the setting icon, click time management. If you need a gentle nudge to stop scrolling, this option will remind you when it's time to take a break. Scroll down to reminder, click it and turn the button on. Set your time, or click customize and set your own preferred time. Click OK to save. Or, if your scrolling usually happens late at night, this feature helps you to stay on track with your sleep. Turn on the remind me when it's bedtime button, set your starting time, meaning when to go to bed, and set your ending time, meaning when you want to wake up. Turn this button on so YouTube will allow you to finish the video you are currently watching before reminder. Click OK to save your selection. Alternatively, if shorts are your main distraction, you can control or completely remove them. Scroll down to daily limit. Go ahead and turn this button on. Set your daily limit. If you don't want to see shorts at all, click on 0 minutes. YouTube will hide shorts entirely. Go back to your home page, and here you can see that I still have shorts. So swipe down to refresh and short videos will disappear completely. Even when you click on the shorts page, you won't find any short videos, and it says you've reached your short feed limit. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, like, and share for more useful videos like this. Bye!